Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create anchor links in WordPress. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and select a word. So let's say I'm gonna go for this, browse. And now from here, you should be able to see this icon over here, which is the link. So just simply click on this. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and provide a hashtag. So let's say my keyword will be list, and I can go for dash, and I'm gonna go for items. And now from here, just simply copy the word. And from here, just simply click on this. And now, once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down and try to find another place. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one. And on the right side of the screen, you should be able to see here the advanced down below. Click on this. And from here, you should have an HTML anchor. So just simply provide the word over here and just simply provide what we have copied, and just simply click on save at the very top over here. And now when we go to our site, when people click on the browse, it will redirect them to the place that I have input. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.